Once upon a time, in a lush garden blooming with vibrant flowers, lived a tiny scale insect named Scally. Scally was unique, for she wore a waxy armor to protect herself from danger. One day, Scally noticed a new flower had bloomed. It was a beautiful rose, radiant and fragrant, but it was much taller than any other. Scally felt a strange urge to climb it, as if drawn by an invisible force. As she began her climb, Scally encountered many challenges. The wind blew hard, trying to knock her off her path. Small birds pecked at her, trying to dislodge her from the rose's petals. Yet, her waxy armor held firm, and she continued her journey. Reaching the top, Scally found a breathtaking view of the entire garden. She felt a sense of accomplishment and happiness. But as she sat there, she noticed something unusual. Her waxy armor, which had once protected her from harm, now seemed to hinder her from enjoying the view. Scally realized that while her armor had served her well, it had also limited her experiences. She decided it was time to make a change. She shed her waxy armor, feeling lighter and freer than ever before. From that day on, Scally learned that while protection is important, it is equally important to be able to adapt and change as circumstances demand. She lived the rest of her days exploring the garden, enjoying its beauty without the limitations of her old armor. And so, the moral of this story is that while we may need protection in some aspects of our lives, we must also be willing to let go of what once served us well when it begins to hinder our growth and experiences. Embrace change, and you may find that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.